Hello everyone, welcome to Lemon Ginger. I am Asha. Hope you're all doing fine and doing great. I am also fine. So today's recipe is an easy peasy tomato chutney. It's very easy, as I said, very few ingredients, and it is lovely to have with dosa and idli. If you're here in this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger and share with your friends and family, because there are a lot of yummy, easy and simple, easy recipes here in this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe it. So let's see how this yummy and easy, simple tomato chutney is made. Set the stove on medium flame, and I'm placing a pan or a kadai on top of it. And to it, I'm pouring 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil starts getting heated, I am putting 6 to 8 dried red chilies. I'm toasting it for a few seconds. And to it, I am putting 3 medium-sized onions. They are diced, they are roughly chopped. It need not be very small, you can dice it like this. I am putting 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and that also are diced. A few curry leaves, a little salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm stirring everything well for around 3 to 4 minutes, just until the tomatoes are cooked. If you would like, you can add a small piece of ginger after adding oil and toast it before adding the onions and all. But I am not adding here because I want the simplest form of chutney. So once the onions and tomatoes are cooked, I am switching up the stove and letting it cool down. So once that vegetables are like tomato, onions are cooled down, I am moving it into a blender and I'm gonna blend it. I'm not going to pour water or anything, I'm just going to blend it just like this. So after blending, it would be like this. So you can see it has become a fine paste. Again, switch on the stove and keep it to a low flame. And I'm pouring 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. We have poured enough oil before, that's why I'm just pouring only 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil is heated, I am putting half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, curry leaves, and to it I'm pouring the blended tomato and onion gravy that we made just now. Pour 1/4 cup of water just to wash off whatever is left over in the blender, and I'm pouring it into the pan. Mixing everything really well and keeping it to boil for a minute. So while cooking, if you feel that you have poured a little extra water into it, don't worry, you just need to boil it for a minute or 2. And now you can switch off the stove. That's it, yummy and easy peasy tomato chutney is ready. You can have this with dosa, idli. It's so delicious. Here I am moving it into a small bowl and ready to serve. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger and share with your friends also. There are so many yummy and easy recipes here in this channel, so please check it out that also. Until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe you all, and a very happy week ahead. Bye bye.